Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you're doing well. Today is our inspiration hop for our May products. We have some beautiful products here. You're going to see inspiration from the design team. All you have to do is hop to each video, leave a comment, and then come back to the link that's in the description box to enter into the giveaway. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. I can't wait to see the inspiration from the design team. It's always so much fun to see what they come up with. So here are some few cards that I created using these products. I have videos for all of these cards, and if you want to see a closer look at all the papers and the ephemera, there's videos that I have posted. I'll have those linked down below if you missed it. But I'm sure you'll see the products along the hop. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. And I will post the winner on the community tab in 1 week. All you have to do is contact me if you're the winner, and I will get your prize out to you. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.